and welcome to a video where today I'm going to be showing you how to edit a green screen using Gimp 2. So just if you have the software already, I'll go to the video, but if you don't, you search Gimp. You don't need to put the 2 on, but I have. And this is the software, so you press the top page, it takes you to a download. You can download it directly or via torrent. Then you can select your language for if you need extra guides. But I already have it installed. Just going to remove my example from practicing messing around. So when you open the app, it should look something like this. If you already have one, there it'll be there, and I'll show you how to remove that in a minute. So let's say file new if you have done that. So we have the white background here because we're doing our own pictures, we don't need it. So we right click and delete layer. So it's back to where we just were. So in your photos that you have, you go to downloads, and then you select your main image. So this is the lady I found on the internet in front of a green screen. People shouldn't upload themselves to the photos of them on the green screen in front of the internet. People can do really weird things, so don't do that. If you have a photo, edit yourself out of the green screen first. But once you've got your photo, your normal thing would be to remove the background. But this doesn't work because you would have missed a step. So you right click your image first and you click add alpha channel. So an alpha channel is basically it's an background like this, but there's nothing there. It's the same as you can see the cube pattern if there's no background. With your magic wand, which is right here, you can select a colour, select your spots, and then press delete. And you can do this on all of it, but let's say you've missed something. With your magic wand, you click off your canvas, then click on your rubber, and then you can rub any last details out. As you can see, the green hasn't all gone. So if you want, you can turn down the size. You can then zoom in a tiny bit more, then go around to edit the extra parts off. That's still on, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just showing you how to do it, and then will probably delete the photo. She will delete the photo, so I'm not going to bother showing you doing this any more than I just did. So that we can then just put size back to how it was. So we go back to our file, we can then drag in the background. As you can see, it's 1 in front of it and 2 the scaling's wrong. So first things first is to move the background behind. So there we go. Then we right click, and then we go up to scale, go here to scale layer, and then we change the scaling. You can use the arrows to change it up and down, but I'm just going to manually type the number in because I believe it'll be about 1,000 we need to go to. Nope, it's less than that. Okay, so scale layer 500 maybe. Okay, that looks right. Now the lady's also not to scale, so we go here, click scale, and now we can go down the arrows, but I'm just going to say, let's say 400 roughly. Okay, that looks like it's scaled down. You can see it's not in the center, so we go to here, the move button. We can click on, click on this image, and we can move her to where we want it to be. So we want her to be here. We can then maybe, I think that might be just a tiny bit too much. So you can, let's go 350, scale, then move back, and that looks about right. When we're finished, we go up to File, we go down to Export As, and then we can name it. So, person, no, let's just name it test. So it's there, test, and then we press export. Then it'll ask you for if you need any other fancy settings. The simple ones here. You also then have advanced settings if you need any of that stuff. But we're just going to press export for the point of this. It says exported there. So we go into our file, Here it is, our test picture. There's the person, there's the Big Ben. You can mess around with settings so you don't get the white border, or you can get the scaling or change the image so it fits the canvas perfectly, but then that's up for you. But with my Windows at least, it all comes with a cropped tool anyway, so we can just crop off the extra white and then save, and then we're done. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, you know what to do, and if you didn't like this video, don't do anything and go away. Please consider subscribing, and I hope I see you in the next video. Goodbye.